Hi everyone, video 2. So we're gonna rewrite equations and expressions. And the way we do that is we take a logarithm and we want to rewrite it as exponential form, and we can do vice versa. Okay, so the first set is logarithmic form, and we're gonna change it to exponential form. Now, if we know that there are inverses of each other, logs and exponents are inverses of each other, we have to identify really and truly what's happening here. Now, take a look at these three numbers. We have to make this exponential in some way. So how can I make these three numbers form a true exponential equation, meaning one that actually works? Well, I know that if I need an exponent, the only exponent that's going to work here is if the exponent is 2. Because an exponent of 18 or 324 is going to be humongous. Now, we want a true statement. In this case, 18 squared. Well, 18 squared, that is 324. So this turns into 18 squared equals 324. It's terrible too. Now, what's happening here? Basically, I'm taking the base and the x value, and I'm going to separate them. And the 2 is going to go kind of in the middle of that one, right? So what that looks like from an equation or an expression standpoint is going to be our next rule. So we have the logarithmic expression or equation here, base, answer, exponent. And we are going to move the answer. Now, does that mean that you couldn't see the other one in the other video? That stinks. Okay, so here, log of base 2, 8 equals 3. Now, the base and the exponent and the answer. We're just separating the base and the answer, and we're putting the exponent in between, because 2 to the third power is 8, okay? Now I feel bad about the other video because you couldn't see that, and I'll put that on the board right now so you can see it. Take a look up. Change a base rule. Log base x. That was the rule from the other video. Sorry. All right, let's move back. So more practice with rewriting the formulas here. All right. So log base 2400 equals 2. Obviously, I've got to put the 2 in between the 20 and the 400. This is 20 squared equals 400. Okay. This one here, 19 squared, 19 to the 0 power is 1. And then obviously 9 squared is 81. Okay, that's pretty simple. I'm going to throw variables at you tomorrow in class. But before I do that, if we change from log to expo, we need to be able to do the reverse as well. And let's go ahead and do that because I got some more examples for you. Okay, so remember, if we took the exponent and kind of wedged it in between, that means the exponent is going to go all the way back out to the end, right? So we've got log base 16, 256 equals 2, right? Log, right, the 3 goes all the way out. Base 5, 125 equals 3, okay? And then so on and so forth, all right? Simple. See ya.